my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to prepare you very delicious fritter. Now it's the season. I picked it up from my garden. It's so beautiful that we don't want to miss it when the good things comes. We're going to start. What we need is zucchini, which is, I grind it and I put a little bit salt and I put it in strainer so it strains the water. So this is about like 3 cups of zucchini, squash, whatever you call it. We need about 4 seeds garlic. We have to put. We need 1 bunch of parsley. There you go. We need 1 head of onion, and I have 1 little green onion. I put it. I mean, you don't have to, but it's fine. It's onion. We need 1/2 cup of flour. So we have to mix this together before we put the egg. Now we need pepper. The seasoning, it's up to you. I want to put some really red chili pepper. Now the salt you can put always later, but when we season it already with the salt so it strains the water, it's a little salty. You can taste, and in case if you need some more, you can put, which I did, and I have to put very, very little. So later on we don't have to add, because it's going to be delicious fritter. We don't want to add later on salt, but when it's together, it's already mixed in the zucchini. You put black pepper as you please, and which is important, to put red sun-dried preserved red bell pepper. We put about 1 tablespoon like this. Now we're going to need our 3 eggs. Those are delicious eggs from my chickens. The yolks are nice and orange. So you're going to mix this together. Now you can do this in a deep frying oil, or you can, if you don't want it, you can just put very, very little. Now we have over here pans, muffin pans. You can oil it. If it's non-stick, you don't have to, but it will be a good idea to put it, so in case, so it won't be stuck. And over here we have a pan, so we're going to do some in oven, and which I put the oven already on. It's on 350. It might take about like 8 to 10 minutes, maybe maximum. And we're going to put just like a little oil over here. Now we're going to add into the pans. Don't put too much because it's going to come up. If you don't like to fry it or whatever, you're for health conscious, you can do this way. And it will become very, very beautiful and very delicious. Like I said, in case if you do it on a stove, in case if it's separated, always you can add egg. But in the oven, it will be perfectly fine the way it is. Like I said, it's 350, and we're gonna put in the middle. There you go. You can put as big as you want, but usually this is how we prepare. Both sides, I think only you need maybe a minute. You can tell when it starts to get brown a little bit, then you will turn it. Let it rest. Don't rush. And the fritter will be in the oven about maybe 10 minutes. It's doing beautiful. I wanted to show you closer so you'll see how it is. Everybody should really, if you have a little garden, plant a little zucchini, plant a little tomato, even 1 or 2, it's really pleasure. Sometimes when you plant the zucchini, zucchini squash, they grow so big. You can do so many things with it. And sometimes the seeds grow big. Don't let it grow too big. Sometimes you will see the seeds is big, but it's very, very tender because it's fresh. You can even eat like that way. You don't even feel skin. It's really tender. But don't let it grow too big. But you can do so many. You can make zucchini bread. You can do frittata. You can do whatever. So many kind of dishes with zucchini, with squash. It will be very delicious. And it is. We're going to take it out. Like I said, put paper towel so it will drip any oil there is. Like I said, you can put as big as you want, as small as you want. It will be very nice, presentable, good dish. My children, they are gonna love it. And you're gonna enjoy it. All right, now we are done, and here are the fritters. Some of them I did in oven, but I put some oil in it. And this is the way I showed you. Only one thing I wanna say, that cut the vegetables very, very small, and that's how you do it, so they hold each other together very well. So I hope you will like it, and in case if you like it, you enjoy it, please subscribe my channel and like. Thank you again. Bye bye.